Visiting Beaumaris, Canolfan Beaumaris. Please ensure you're wearing a face covering before entering the centre. Please report to the reception on your arrival and present your details for the track and trace system. There are hand sanitising stations for you to use throughout the centre. Please maintain social distancing at all times and follow the arrows which take you around the one-way system. Meetings are either held in the very spacious main hall or in a ventilated room at the back of the Canolfan. Tables and chairs are positioned to ensure safe physical distancing.